guys, happy new year. I hope you're all doing well. So today's hairstyle is passion twist, long passion twist. It was requested by a friend, so you just have to get like 4 to 5 packets of expression braids, and you don't divide the hair. So after arranging it, you get your kebab sticks. So for this one, you really need long kebab sticks, like 50 centimeters. Yes, then you just place the extensions at the center of the kebab sticks, and you just twist the hair. I've shown how to do passion twist several videos. So you just twist it around the kebab sticks. Later on, you turn to the other side and you twist it again around the kebab sticks. You make it tight, and please don't forget to put rubber bands at the two extremes or the hair will unravel. So please don't forget.
What I do, what I tell it to, bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti. Ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. What a East Saint Laurent fill of limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat, wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my dance. I look like money and I taste like M's. I see them imitate, but it's cool, I'm a trend. They my ass like damn, and my makeup blend. I don't chase no men, that don't make no sense. She a bougie ghetto girl, so they mad bitch. And if you got a problem with it, you could come and get the hands. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Hey. Get it, girl. Baby hair's like money long, bitch, I've been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never fooled. I mean, yeah, bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. And my wrist, don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. I see.
So once you're done doing the passion twist, put it inside hot water. I actually forgot to show it. You put inside hot water for 1 minute. Later on, you allow it to dry overnight. So the next day, you just have to remove the hair from the kebab sticks, you remove the rubber bands, and you have your passion twist.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti. Ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. What a East Saint Laurent fill of limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat, wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my dance. I look like money and I taste like M's. I see them imitate, but it's cool, I'm a trend. They my ass like damn, and my makeup blend. I don't chase no men, that don't make no sense. She a bougie ghetto girl, so they mad bitch. And if you got a problem with it, you could come and get the hands. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Hey. Get it, girl.
once you're done sectioning your hair, now you have to do your passion twist, and you use 2 passion twists for each braid. So when you get your passion twist, make sure you hold it one side should be longer than the other one, and the longer one is for you to put it at the length at which you want it to be. If you want it to be at your back or your buttocks length, depending on you. So once you've put the 2 passion twists, make sure they all have the same length. That's the 2 short ones have the same length, and the long ones also have the same length. And you twist. Don't forget to twist going to the left. Don't twist going to the right, or it won't be nice. So twist going to the left.
모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bro and spank me with ties. You read my mind. You read my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You read my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep, making it addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. See, I might say, baby, hair's like money long, bitch, I've been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never fooled. I mean, yeah, bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. And my wrist, don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. I see, that's a gang. About to get it on the floor, bust it down, make it shake. Long ass nails like some crab legs. Team, I'm supreme, never average. How your waist be disappearing from the side, bitch? Damn, you fine, you a dime, you a savage. That's right. I know that's right. I never motherfucking wrong. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti, ass on buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. How? What a East Saint Laurent fill of limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat. Wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my dance. I look like money and I taste like.
Once you're done, you just apply your hair mousse, then you use your hair dryer, and later on you apply your hair growth oil. Actually, this is a herbal infused hair growth oil which I did at home. So if you're interested, you can just tell me in the comment section. I use amla, rami, fenugreek, a lot of Indian herbs. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
What I tell it to? Yeah. What that?